Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat notification not working. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat notifications are not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back from here and open your settings app, and here go for apps a section, and here look for Snapchat, and here select notifications, and you have to enable all the toggles and all the settings from here. After enabling, you just have to go back and you have to check if your phone is on do not disturb mode or any kind of focus. So you have to disable that. Then again, go back, open your app store, go for search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. And after doing that, you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for sound and haptics, and disable the silence mode from here. If you have find it enabled, you have to disable that and maximize your volume from here. Go back from here, go for in general section, go for software update. You have to try to make a software update. After updating your software, simply go back. If you are still facing the same issues, this is the only way. The very first, you have to open your iPhone storage and you have to try to offload or delete your Snapchat app. And after that, you have to reinstall the app so your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this app. But after doing that, in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, this is the only way. Go for the general section back here. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset networks. Reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after that, everything of your phone settings will be reset to default. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.